Before watching our video, please subscribe to Vern's channel and hit the notification bell. Please click the like button and share it. Subtitles are available when clicking CC button. Hi. The focus of this hairstyle, I design as wispy and dimensional effects on top of head. Quickly finish cutting on the sides, and back with electric clipper. Part hair into front and back sections. Combine 6E giving 38% thinning rate, with 6EE giving 55% thinning rate, together to use. Adjust hair volume by slanting texturizing. And then cut the length and create wispy effects. Add hair ends by scissors over comb. Repeat in the same way for the front section. Do slanting texturizing, and then cut the length by horizontal texturizing to cut. Lift and pull the hair slice back. The hair is thicker, so I adjust it according to hair volume by slanting texturizing. It's simple, convenient and easy to control hair volume in this way. Lastly, combine 6EA giving 8% thinning rate, with 6EB giving 16% thinning rate, together to use. And apply Vern both-handed simultaneous cutting technique. Use right texturizing technique, and tools on the basis of hair flow, and effects of this hairstyle and make it trendy and well manageable. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button, to get the notifications of latest videos. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.